2 p.m. 2 p.m. We have 10 a.m.
Yeah.
in the morning.
Morning.
Okay, please tell me if we have to wait for somebody else or we should start.
I think Hassan will be joining soon. Maybe
Okay.
give a few minutes.
Yes. 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 It's okay.
Okay.
Completely okay. Just tell me when I can start.
Yeah. Join. Yeah. Keren.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Sorry, I had a microphone switched off. So now all is connected and we can start. Yes?
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay.
Yes.
So my name is Edward, or Edward in English. And now in today's short Zoom session, the main goal is to connect all the equipment and make sure that all is configured properly and you are ready to fly. Before we start, can you tell me if you already had training UGCS basic and TTF flight or not yet?
No, we haven't got any training for the GCS.
Okay, and you didn't use UGCS before?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so before we go to your equipment, maybe I share my screen and give you a short clarification of how the component of the system interact between each other. And after that, we can go to connecting and configuring all your equipment. Do you share? Sorry. Do you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see it clearly.
Okay. So in this one diagram, there is represented system interaction diagram in case of DJI drones. You have DJI M300. That's right, yeah?
Yes.
So as you can see here on the ground side, there is PC or a laptop with installed UGCS software. UGCS software you can divide on two main parts: UGCS server and UGCS client. For the end user, it's not actually it presented like one application. Also, we have here custom payload monitor installed. Custom payload monitor is additional software which is dedicated for working with a payload. Also, from custom payload monitor, you can start and stop TTF mission, and also see readings from the connected payload. I mean altimeter, and you have Magnimbus magnetometer, right?
Yes.
Yes, you will be able to see the readings, current readings from Magnimbus, but custom payload monitor is not dedicated to write the logs. All the logs from the payload collected by the SkyHub, and after the flight, it can be downloaded from the SkyHub. So returning to the ground side, there is DJI remote controller, and here it's pictured like two pieces: a DJI remote controller itself and Android device connected to by USB. But in case of DJI M300, this one Android device, it's built in to DJI remote controller inside. So actually, instead of two pieces, you have one remote controller. But on this remote controller, UGCS companion software must be installed. And you should use UGCS companion, which is dedicated to work with M300 exactly. For M350, you should install another one application. It's also called a UGCS companion, but UGCS companion for M350. On the drone side, there is SkyHub, which is connected to the drone by UART interface. You have the dedicated cable for that. And also altimeter, which can be laser or radio altimeter, which is connected also by UART. And payload. In your case, payload will be Magnimbus sensor. And do you have additional obstacle avoidance sensor?
Yes, we have the MR72.
Yes. So MR72 should be also connected to the SkyHub. In normal flight configuration, interaction between the drone and SkyHub and your laptop is established via radio link between the drone and drone remote controller. I mean this path here. Do you see my cursor?
Yes, I can click.
Okay. When you on the ground, you have possibility to connect by Wi-Fi directly to the Sky Hub. The Sky Hub has built-in access point inside, and but this one connection directly from your laptop to the Sky Hub, it's used only if you want to download collected logs, or if you want to upgrade Sky Hub firmware using custom payload monitor, this one application. In the real flight configuration, connection should be established via radio link. And what's important on the ground side, all the connections between components must be done via Wi-Fi. So DJI remote controller and your laptop must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. It's quite easy to do in the office, of course, but in the field you have to have dedicated battery powered router, or maybe just Android phone with access point configured work like access point. For that purpose, we recommend to use any Android phone, and we do not recommend to do it on iPhone, because for Apple devices sometimes we had some unpredictable troubles. So, and of course, it's better to try to do this when you are not in the field, but in the office, to make sure that all equipment is working correctly. So, any questions concerning this diagram and interactions between components?
Yes, actually, I have some question. Yesterday, I was assembling the drone with all of the necessary equipments and the accessories. But when I try to connect to the payload, I mean the Sky Hub, via the custom payload monitor, the Wi-Fi keep disconnecting. I don't know why. I already connect with the correct serial pass, the 1234 1234,
Yes.
and then for some unknown reason it keep disconnecting. So
You sorry, you was able to connect somewhere, and after that it disconnect, or
yes,
it
I was
cannot.
able to connect to the Wi-Fi of the Sky Hub, and then when
Yes.
I open the WinSCP, I try to set up the config file, and then the Wi-Fi become disconnected. So I try again, and it keep disconnecting. So in the end, I'm using the RG45 connection or LAN cable, and it provide me a better connection compared to the Wi-Fi.
When you are trying to connect to your drone by Wi-Fi, the remote controller was switched on or switched off?
It's switched off.
Oh, okay. The matter is that sometimes we also had some troubles with connected by Wi-Fi when remote controller was switched off. It's because when when remote controller is off, the drone itself is on, and drone is trying to find your own remote controller. It's trying to do connection on many channels, continuously changing those channels, and this may interfere with a Wi-Fi signal also. So when you working with a SkyHub, we always recommend to switch on the drone and switch on remote controller also. When connection between the drone and remote controller is established, so drone will not interfere so intensively with Wi-Fi signal.
Okay.
So we can try to do that today
Yeah.
during our training, but I think it was the main reason, or maybe something else is here.
Okay,
But
so
I
both
suppose
both laptop and the remote control have to connect to the same Wi-Fi from the SkyHub SSID.
yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, to the same SSID.
Yes. Okay.
So one more questions.
Oh yeah. Another one is uh, from the manual you sent to us from your email. The obstacle avoidance sensor is connected to the port number 4 on the UART on the SkyHub.
Uh-huh.
But the one we have here is colored green, so it's supposed to be port number 2. And on the config file, it says because it was connected to socket number 4, the config file end with TTY EMA number 3. But I don't know if I connect to socket number 2 and what is the value of the configuration.
So where did you see that for obstacle avoidance it's in SkyHub configuration file?
Yes, I was opening the SkyHub configuration file via WinSGP,
Uh-huh.
and then for the obstacle avoidance configuration, there's a port for serial UART, and then it says TTY 50 or something. I forgot, but on the manual, it's supposed to be EMA something.
Which color coding has MR72 connector? It's green.
Yes, it is green. Our port
It's
number
green.
2.
It's green. It's port number 2, and also in SkyHub configuration file for MR72. In this case, should be assigned port TTI S0.
Oh, 0. Okay.
S0. Yes.
Yes. And what about
You can.
socket number 1, the laser altimeter?
Circuit number 1 it's always used for the altimeter. Actually, the port number 1, 2, 2, and 3 they are from physical point of view they are equal, but not to mess. We are always using port number 1 for altimeter, port number 3 for connection to the drone, and
Yes.
also port number 2 for several purposes. In your case, it should be used for connecting MR72.
Okay. So
Do you have this one configuration file on your computer? If you have, you can send it to me, and I will quickly to check if it's correct. But it should be correct.
okay, I will try to connect to the drone. Actually, I'm gonna.
Mhm. Maybe we can do it a little bit later,
Okay,
but
okay, okay, okay.
um, uh, also, do you have also some questions, some further questions concerning connecting and interaction?
uh, for now, that's what I want to ask.
Uh-huh.
Maybe
Okay.
the other.
So, so did you succeeded in physical connection? So I mean, physically install SkyHub and connect it by the cable to the drone, like it shown in a video. Sorry, not this one, but this one video, or like pictured here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the drone is assembled now. SkyHub is installed on the drone and connected by this one cable on the picture. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. If you can see my video.
Your screen.
Oh,
To
belum.
see your screen, I must
sorry.
stop sharing my screen.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes.
Actually, the drone is right behind me.
Yes, I see the drone.
So
Here SkyHub.
see here. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, the SkyHub is properly set up.
Okay. Uh, one small note: all the connections must be done when a drone is switched off or de-energized. So if you will connect something to
Yes.
the drone when it's powered on, you have the chances to damage
Sure.
maybe
Yes.
some ports. So be careful with that.
Yep.
But I see that. Can you please show me SkyHub a little bit closer?
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, port number 1 altimeter, port number 2 MRC-72, and port number 3 the drone, and also Magnimbus port number 4 marked by yellow ring, white ring.
Yes.
Yes, it's okay. Okay. So now you can try to switch on the drone. You need some time until SkyHub will boot it. So how you can understand that SkyHub is booted and ready to work? Here near the power output on the side of the SkyHub, there is a yellow power output connector to which and near this one connector there is a red LED indicator.
Yes,
When this indicator is red, so SkyHub is booted and ready to work.
Oh yeah, another thing, because the SkyHub have two power input, is it matter if we plug it in one or the other, or it has to be the 50 or
It
60?
it completely doesn't matter because internally those two connectors are connected with each other.
Okay.
So you can use any connector. There is two connectors if you want to DC chain maybe some power to some payload directly from the drone, not from the SkyHub power output, but from the drone itself.
Okay.
So now SkyHub is booted.
Yes.
Sorry, I don't see your screen.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Yes, it is.
On the bottom side of the SkyHub, there are three indicators. I mean, this side which at which USB ports are located. I see yellow indicator is lighting now, and also green indicator. It's the middle one. It's lighted by green. Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
So what
If
it said
this
autopilot?
Yes, autopilot. If autopilot is green, so drone and SkyHub established interconnection and it's good. If this indicator is red, something is wrong. So now indicator is green, so SkyHub properly communicating with the drone.
Okay.
So maybe now we can go to your computer where UGCS and custom payload monitor are installed.
Okay, sorry, I will share screen. Or should I?
Okay,
This
just
one?
yes, I just relocate to the bigger one monitor, and yes, I see your screen now. I forgot about the remote controller. On
Oh, yeah.
remote controller, did you install UGCS companion for DJI M300?
Yes, I already installed the GI companion.
UGCS companion, and also remote controller should be connected to the same network like your computer. I mean Wi-Fi network.
Yes. Okay. I will try to connect to the Wi-Fi. My friend is turning on the remote control now. Connect ke Wi-Fi-nya si ini Skyhub. Udah connect ke Wi-Fi? Okay, it is connected. So should I refresh this one?
Yes, I see that now you are connected directly from your computer to the Skyhub by Wi-Fi. You see here link type is AUX, auxiliary. It's a direct connection to the Skyhub. So now I see that connection is more or less stable. Please try to press the big blue tools button. Tools. Here you have the options manage logs. Here you have possibility to download collected logs just after the flight. When you on the ground and Skyhub is switched on, you have possibility to connect to the Skyhub by AUX link, direct connection, and also download or erase logs for today and also for all dates.
Okay.
And also another one option, if you press drop down menu where manage logs, here you can manage UGCS Skyhub. This one choice is used if you want to upgrade Skyhub to the newer firmware version. Okay. You already uploaded a license file to the Skyhub, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so probably next time it will not require it. CPM will not ask once more about this one license file. And also in drop-down menu, here is yes, license management. It's for uploading license to the Skyhub. Actually, if you uploaded this one license, you don't have to do it anymore. But if you change configuration, I mean change payload or change type of the altimeter, you will need a new license, which you should request through our help desk system. So for now, it's not necessary.
Okay.
So if you return back, can you please press on this one window where a link is presented? No,
Link?
I mean link.
Okay.
Link. Yes, only one link.
Only.
So Can you please start UGCS and rearrange windows in such way that UGCS window and also CPM window will be visibly simultaneously? Yes. It's better maybe to make a width of UGC screen is little less and also place CPM window from left side or right side. It's up to you.
Like this.
Yeah, probably like this. Yeah, should be good. Actually, when you are flying, you will need both windows active. On the UGCS window, you will see the route and also the current drone position. Also, you will see this information on the on your remote controller, and also in CPM, you will see some readings from connected sensors and from altimeter. And in UGCS companion on remote controller, there are also small windows in which you can see readings from connected payload. We call small windows widgets. So you will see small widgets on UGCS companion screen on remote controller. So you have to choose the right drone. Can you request remote control of your screen?
Sorry, I tried to open the USDS companion in DJ remote control, but it keeping pause close. I don't know why. Maybe because connecting to Wi-Fi of the USDS. Maybe I'm going to.
Sorry, I hear you
Can you
not
see?
very good. Did you start UGCS companion on remote controller?
Nggak bersih ya? Kok jadi burung gitu?
Gambarnya buram, bro.
Tetap banget. It can connected. Depan bisa. Oh, pakai filter ya. Wait.
On remote controller, when you start a UGCS screen, on the top left icon, there is, if you press here on this icon, it will show you, no, on remote controller, on UGCS companion. It will show you active server to which you should be connected. If you don't see this server, actually server it's a UGCS instance running on your PC. If there is no this server in the list, so something is wrong.
Jadi saya harus ngapain bang? Katanya? Uh, Sorry, the remote control is already USBS in remote control is already open. So I'm sorry, I don't get it. So what should I do now?
Um,
Can you see in Irfan screen that there is a remote
No.
control?
no, I don't see screen.
Yeah.
Irwan has the camera switched, camera deactivated. Yes, now I see that in custom payload monitor CPM window you are connected to the Sky Hub, and you see some messages here, but it's not a right type of connection. So now you're connected directly to the Sky Hub. For the flight configuration, you should be connected via RC link between the remote controller and the drone.
Okay.
But maybe at the moment, if you press start, we can check that altimeter is working properly. Yes, you see now altimeter, it show some value. Can you please to wave by hand under the altimeter or reposition it? Yes, I see something is, yeah. So values is changed. Magnimbus is working also, and it show us more or less adequate values. And also for obstacle avoidance, we don't have special widget where you can read actual distance to the obstacle. You in obstacle avoidance sensor, you can only activate or deactivate this feature. But if you add a special widget and give him proper ID, you will be able to see the readings from obstacle avoidance. Please select, like you did now, select, no. It's below, where is not select, yes. And also select universal one. And please press three dots in corner of universal, blue button with three dots. Yes, settings. And also give a payload message ID 195. Yes,
Okay.
apply.
Is
Yes,
it
you
supposed to
can
be?
also change the name. It's not really. Yes, you can. Obstacle distance or something else. Apply. Here you see obstacle distance to the nearest obstacle, which is detected by obstacle avoidance sensor. This one sensor, it has a quite wide radiation pattern, so it can see values not directly in the direction of your flight, but also with obstacles which are located under some angle from the direction of flight.
Okay.
So
Regarding the obstacle avoidance from the plugin number 2 here, it says the safe distance to obstacle is 5 meters and the safety action is return to home. Can we replace it with any other value like maybe increase altitude or something?
increase not altitude, but distance to the obstacle. Yes.
Oh, I mean, what action will the drone do if there's something 5 meters in front of the drones?
in this case, if the drone is flying towards the obstacle, and if this sensor look at this obstacle, if the distance between the obstacle will be less than 5 meters, so safety action return to home will be triggered, and drone will return to home in accordance with parameters, with some other parameters which you are setting, which you are set in UGCS when you're planning the route. There might be also other actions, and this one obstacle avoidance feature may be activated or may be deactivated. You see here the blue button with activate label here. Yes, but about that you should speak more in details when you will have another one training session.
Okay.
There may be for safety actions there is possible return to home, just hover when the drone is stop and hovering in the air, do nothing, just do nothing. It's actually quite useless option, and also some more warning. I never use the warning myself. It will probably give you some warning in status screen on the bottom of CPM, but what you should do with this, it's up to you. So actually useful options, it's return to home at hover.
Okay, thank you.
So now we should figure out why we cannot connect via RC link to the SkyHub like it should be done in real flight configuration.
Okay, actually I'm using LAN cable to the SkyHub to my laptop, and DJI remote control is connected to the Wi-Fi, so both my laptop and DJI use different connection.
Okay, but no, it's okay. Please try to disconnect to remove this cable. Probably you will be disconnected from the Zoom session also, but
Yes.
we will help you. Excuse me, maybe I can do a 5 minutes break.
Yeah.
Please choose not private, not public network, but private network.
Yeah.
In network type.
I'm switching my Wi-Fi to LAN cable so I can connect to the SkyHub via Wi-Fi.
You have Wi-Fi GZ.
Yeah.
Yes, connected.
So I will disconnect it and I will try to connect to the.
No, you shouldn't connect to the SkyHub directly. You should connect to the to your Wi-Fi network.
I already use LAN for the Wi-Fi network.
Where the remote controller is connected now. Sorry, do you hear me?
Yes. I'm using LAN cable to the Wi-Fi network, so I don't disconnect it from Zoom, so I can use the Wi-Fi to connect to the SkyHub. Or is it?
But no, you should be connected. Your computer should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network where your remote controller currently connected.
My remote itu connect kemana? My remote controller connected to the SkyHub SSID right now.
Remote controller?
Yes.
It should be so. Please connect it to your normal Wi-Fi network, which you use in the office. Here. Yes, yes. Now you see that it's possible to connect to your drone. And in UGCS screen, if you press add drone button near the, sorry, not here, not here, not here. Yes, this one, add vehicle.
DJI Pilot 2.
Oh,
Should I restart the GCS?
Yes, it's better maybe to restart. When you restart UGCS, of course, link to the drone is also will be deactivated because CPM it's connected to UGCS and and remote controller should see this server part of UGCS.
Still no. Is it the one?
No, no.
No, not this one.
It should be
here.
Here, yeah.
Yeah.
So now you are properly connected in such way that you will use actually in the field, but instead of your Wi-Fi router, you should use some dedicated battery powered router or access point configured in your mobile phone.
Okay.
So now you see the telemetry from the drone. 22 GPS. Your drone is located outside.
It's inside the building.
Inside the building, and there is such good GPS coverage. Nice.
Yeah, maybe the roof is too thin.
Yes, for that purpose is good. So on the UGCS, I think maybe you have some question for now concerning connection because to work, how to properly work with UGCS, you will have a separate training. I mean UGCS basic, and after that something like training like called like TTF flight or something similar.
Okay.
So any questions concerning connections?
Yeah, I want to review the config file for the SkyHub. Can you? I
Sorry,
want
I don't hear.
to review the config file for the SkyHub. Is it okay? Okay. Can we do that?
Yes, you can do that, but if you press start button in custom payload monitor, we can make sure that actually obstacle avoidance. Oh, I don't see any readings from the altimeter. Can you wave by hand maybe under the altimeter itself, under the device, in the field of view, this one altimeter?
No, I already waved my hand below the laser, but it doesn't show
But
any reading.
nothing happens.
Yes.
Looks strange. And also no readings from Magnimbus, no readings
Yes.
from obstacle avoidance. Can you please restart custom payload monitor application?
Okay.
No, UGCS,
Oh,
let's work and only a custom payload monitor.
okay.
You should choose the right link. Yes, you can refresh, press this one blue big, yeah, now it's connected. Press the start. And still no readings here. It's not normal. But UGCS companion is working now on the remote controller.
Kebaca readingnya? Enggak, itu on the DJI companion, there's no readings for the Magnembus and the altimeter.
Yes, I see. Maybe now it's better to restart the drone itself, and in such way also SkyHub will be restarted, and after that we will check if all be okay or not. While you are starting, may I ask you to do a 5 minutes break?
Okay.
Okay, I will return after 5 minutes while you are restarting.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Tadi udah itu bang, sampai altimeternya udah munculin itu. Altimeter apa? Obstacle avoidance. Ini matinya gini mas? Udah kan? Udah mati kan? Belum. Biarin dulu, tunggu dulu. Take a break. Kayaknya sih kalau udah dikonekin wifi ke sini, kalau sebelumnya belum buka ini jadi force close dia. Makanya tadi itu. Jadi kalau udah kan tadi disuruh konekin dulu wifi-nya sini. Ini waktu kita buka si softwarenya si apa? Itu force close-nya, force close gitu deh. Nggak mau.
Tapi tadi bisa connect lagi.
Dimatiin dulu.
Apanya?
Wifi-nya yang di sini masuk ke aplikasinya dulu, baru connect, baru mau dia. Gitu. Nah, tadi tuh kok nggak mau ya itu. Iya, memang. Udah. Nah, ya. Udah dicarakan deh, ya. Dicarakan deh. Ayo dulu. Habis gitu. Nggak dicolok. Dicolok lepas gitu sih mas. Oh. Masih sehat. Dulu bisa tahan sambil main game, bisa tahan 3 jam. Klaim dia malah 99 jam. Berapa? 99 jam. Ya klaimnya dia di YouTube sih. 99, bukan 9. Enggak main game. Ada YouTuber ganti-gantian main game. Berapa hari ya bilang? Kenapa kemarin nggak bisa wifi dulu? Gara-gara cuma gara-gara ini nggak connect di sini. Gara-gara nggak connect.
Jadi ini harus connect ke wifi, ini juga harus connect ke wifi. Jadi katanya kalau dia itu nggak connect ke wifi itu kayak nyari-nyari si remote-nya mana gitu, makanya dia DC gitu.
Oh, iya. Saya kira baterainya. Kalau baterai udah standar dari sini. Itu Mas Saman udah lihat datanya di dalam Excel?
Udah, itu masalah koma sama titik doang.
Tapi kan dia titik pakai spasi, langsung dibagi sama yang beda format.
Iya, itu kalau ngeliat data CSV-nya nggak kayak gitu tuh, gara-gara kemarin kebuka di Excel jadi kayak gitu.
Oh, dari CSV-nya nggak?
Dari CSV-nya nggak kayak gitu.
Buka pakai ini ya, pakai notepad.
Nah, nggak tahu kalau yang kemarin kita kirim memang udah keubah sama Excel, yang native dari ininya. Oh, nggak ada, kemarin yang itu tuh udah keubah itu, dibuka pakai notepad juga tetap sama.
Oh gitu.
Nah,
Ya, soalnya titiknya di sini tuh ada spasi
iya.
jadinya.
Itu gara-gara kemarin keubah ke Excel, di Excel, harusnya yang native-nya nggak tak ubah kemarin.
Coba minta Mas yang ininya, buat aku ngeliatin ke, kan nantinya dari AGS udah ikut kan, teman-teman?
Iya, nanti ini aja, nanti login lagi aja.
Oh, login aja.
Kan bisa kan?
Sama tadi kamu nanya itu Mas, siapa? Yang dia bisa ini nggak? Bisa apa? Bisa connect ke sensornya buat penghalang itu nggak ini, nggak ngerti dia terus dia udah apa dia tadi apa itu nggak connect. Nggak, maksudnya buat yang ke sisi-sisi
Itu wifi-nya masih udah connect wifi-nya. Itu wifi-nya.
yang mana?
Wifi-nya si ini. Ini kamu connect mana?
Dari mati. Mati ya.
Enggak, dia merah ya.
Dari mati. Ya apa ini?
Ini si output-nya nggak hijau.
Nggak lama sih Pak. Tinggal dia tuh sisi-sisinya berapa ya? Ada sebelumnya tadi? Nggak ada. Buat obstacle avoidance kan di DJ-nya ada, bisa settingnya sih lumayan.
Oh, boleh itu. Kayaknya dari sini aja sih kalau dari pernyataan dia tadi.
Iya, jadi dia cuma bilang kalau ada itu cuma bisa RTH, hover atau do nothing.
Hover pun nggak perlu kan nggak dia. Katanya tadi dia minta next training for detail itu nggak mau sekarang juga dia. Pokoknya sekarang tuh bahasanya untuk integritinya udah sampai sekarang terpisah.
Ya emang kayak gitu harusnya, jangan orang Indonesia mau dikasih.
Strength to Italiano ngomong enggak
Enggak, itu
agak
Timur.
Iya, Eropa Timur.
Eropa Timur ya, Eropa Timur.
Pecahan Soviet.
Oh iya, karena
Rusia
dia ngomongnya benar-benar. Ukraina bukan Rusia. Kalau Ukraina. Mas tadi kan nggak saya connecting ke sana. Udah nggak mau nggak? Caranya.
Udah connect ke wifi-nya?
Udah.
Udah ke wifi-nya sekarang udah?
Nanti markasnya benar nggak katanya kalau saya matiin tuh emang rusak gitu.
rusak kan.
Ya maksudnya jadi kayak kemarin di CDC.
Jangan. Nah, sekarang baru baca. Lo di close lagi ya? Iya. Lo close.
Bukan. Ini lihat nih. Lihat ada connect ya. Ini kan belum terbuka nih. Nah, ini harus dimatiin dulu, baca dulu. Matiin, kan? Terus baru nyalain. Nah, baru nyalain. Kemudian stay di sini. Udah kebaca semua. Udah connect. Di sini juga udah langsung ada sensornya 192, 195.
Nah, ini kebaca udah hijau.
Ya. Coba ininya mas, nah, cuma dia itu atas bawah atau depan belakang ini kayak bawahnya deh. Soalnya kan di gambar itu 5 kan, 5 meter ke bawah, 15 ke atas itu apa maksudnya?
5 meter ke bawah mana?
Kanan.
Hello.
Oh ini.
Nah itu.
Atas bawah.
Oke.
Udah mulai.
Hello, do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, I see now you are succeeded, and also altimeter, magnibus, and obstacle avoidance show us some readings, and also all connection is good. So restart is was helpful, and
Yeah.
also you can see your drone on the UGCS underlined map here. Yes. If you look at the altimeter widget in custom payload monitor, you see that readings 0.06 now is displayed in red. It's because when in any widgets displayed value is outside so predefined safety or allowable interval, it will be displayed in red, or if it inside the predefined interval, it will be displayed in green. So it's easy to distinguish if something is wrong. This one safety interval may be changed in settings if you press the three dots buttons here. There is settings. Yes, press settings. And here minimum and maximum allowable value. In case of altimeter, actually it's a safety interval in which you are going to fly. So if during your flight something goes wrong and current measured altitude by altimeter will be less than than 1 meter, the flight will be interrupted immediately. Drone will stop and will climb to the safe altitude, which is defined by another one parameter. Sorry, some mosquitoes here. But more in details, you will speak this when you will have also further training how to fly really and how to work with UGCS and custom payload monitor. I will explain you just how it's displayed. I'm explaining how it's displayed in widget. So maybe some questions for now. Sorry, I don't hear.
Okay. For the obstacle avoidance, we have the MR72 sensor, right? But the DJI M300 itself has built-in
Yes.
obstacle avoidance sensor. So can we utilize that sensor instead?
If you do not switch off native built-in DJI obstacle avoidance sensor, it will work. But the matter is that you have Magnimbus sensor. During takeoff, during the flight, downward looking sensor, I mean DJI native downward looking sensor, may interfere with, it may see this one Magnimbus, the lack of the Magnimbus.
Okay.
So when you are flying with such heavy payload, you should disable a downward looking sensor and take care about that. Concerning the forward-looking sensor and side sensor, it's not necessary to switch off such sensors if they will detect some obstacles on the path. The drone will react like it defined in DJI pilot settings. So if you not disable a native DJI obstacle avoidance sensor, it will work.
Okay.
They will work. But those sensors are optical and they will not work at night. And when you have quite difficult and environment with a high contrast, when obstacle avoidance sensor native works not so good. So MR72, you can think about that like supplemental sensor to the native one. So they will work simultaneously.
Okay, thank you.
So maybe some more questions.
And
No, you see here on the top there is three indicators. One UGCS is green. It's obviously because
yes.
CPM and UGCS on the same computer. But now the connection between the drone and the SkyHub is not good.
Yes.
So all three indicators must be green.
Is it because the remote control connected to the USB? Just now my friend plug it to the laptop for the charging.
Actually, I can't say. Maybe,
Yeah,
maybe
yeah,
there might be some reason, but I don't know, frankly speaking.
yeah, yeah. It's all green a few minutes ago, but suddenly it's just went red. I don't know why.
I don't know. Also, maybe it feels that something was plugged in USB port, but how it can interfere with connections,
Yeah.
I don't.
Also, the remote control have to open the UGCS software first and connect to the Wi-Fi after. But if we connect to the Wi-Fi first and open the app on the remote control, it
Yes.
will force close.
Force close. What do you
Yes.
mean?
I mean the APK stop working.
Um,
So I have to open the application first on the remote control and then connect to the Wi-Fi, and that way we can connect to the SkyHub. But if we connect to the SkyHub Wi-Fi first and then open the application on the remote control, it will stop working. Like the application will crash.
It's not very expected behavior. If you observe that, I think it's maybe to report about this case to our help desk.
Yeah.
Because I mean support at UGCS.com mail, because it seems not very normal behavior when application is crashed when you try to connect to the Wi-Fi after. By the way, did you try to update the firmware of the drone itself?
No, I haven't tried to update it since it's already on the latest firmware. I think it's 4.1. Like if you check the log, it's firmware 4.1, right?
4 points. Mhm. I think at present you are working with the latest SkyHub firmware and no need to upgrade it right now. But I know that in the nearest future version 4.2 will be
Okay.
released.
It's happening again. So the Wi-Fi is kind of unstable right now. So my laptop it keep disconnecting to the SkyHub.
Mhm. Okay.
So that's why the SkyHub suddenly went red. I'm trying to connect to. Okay, now it's green again.
But now you connected through Wi-Fi and through UGCS companion and remote controller radio link.
Yes, the remote control already connected to the SkyHub Wi-Fi. So it's just my laptop that keep disconnecting to the SkyHub.
Why you are trying to connect to the SkyHub directly now?
Yeah, it's connected to the SkyHub Wi-Fi now, but after a few minutes, sometimes it went red. So I only know the Wi-Fi disconnected if the SkyHub turns to red. So as you can see, it's keep blinking right.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, but to which one Wi-Fi network you are connected now?
My laptop connected to the SkyHub Wi-Fi. The and
It should be connected to the SkyHub directly when you use direct connection to the drone.
no, I'm not connecting to. I'm not using direct connection to the drone.
But I see the type of the link in custom payload monitor. Now you are connected through the UGCS companion to the SkyHub and to the drone. You see the type of the link M3. It represents your drone. There is no aux link. And you shouldn't be connected to the SkyHub directly now.
Oh.
Please try to disconnect from the SkyHub. Disconnect from the SkyHub.
Yep. I already disconnect from the Wi-Fi.
Yes, and re-establish connection here. Choose the right. No, it's not necessary to connect to the SkyHub directly. The connection should work like here in this configuration. But I see that something not good with connection to the drone. The remote controller now is you said it's charging now.
No. We unplug the remote control from the charger.
Mm-hmm.
So, but the companion application is still open, and the remote control is connected to the SkyHub Wi-Fi.
In UGCS companion, there is small icon with two circles on the left top corner. There is written UGCS and SkyHub. Those indicators, small indicators like small dots. Which color they have now?
The UGCS shows red, but the SkyHub shows green.
Oh, yeah. It means that, of course, UGCS companion and remote controller connected to the drone, but UGCS companion don't see UGCS itself on your computer. It may be Wi-Fi issue. No, please not
Okay.
connect. We should understand why this happens. If you press this icon with dots, it will show you UGCS
Server.
server on companion window on the remote controller.
Okay, wait a minute. Uh, okay, as you can see on earphone screen,
No, I
it
don't see.
says
So where's the screen? I don't see it. I see only share screen.
I mean earphones video.
No, no. I see that Irwan has the camera switched on, but I don't see this camera output on my screen.
Oh, okay. Maybe if I stop screen, can you
Oh,
see
yes,
earphones
yes,
video now?
yes, yes. Now I see. Yes, UGCS is red, SkyHub is green on the top left corner. And can you press on this icon? No, in the top left corner. Yes. Yes, available server. Press to this ThinkPad P73. It's offline
Yes,
for some reason.
because it's the laptop I'm using to open the CPM and the UGCS software.
It's not on the same Wi-Fi network.
Uh, no, because you said to disconnect from the SkyHub Wi-Fi.
No, 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 no. Remote controller and your PC with UGCS instance installed should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Your laptop shouldn't be connected to the SkyHub directly. They must be laptop and remote controller must be connected to the same network physically. Of course, it's more convenient to do via Wi-Fi. What changed now? What changes now? Why SkyHub UGCS becomes green? You connected directly to the SkyHub?
Yeah, I connect to the SkyHub Wi-Fi right just now. You want us to connect to the different SkyHubs for now, right? So maybe using our office Wi-Fi or something.
Yes. You should
Okay.
use office Wi-Fi and connect remote controller and
Okay.
your PC to the office Wi-Fi.
Abadi yo 2024.
Now remote controller connected to the BizNet 5G, and
Yes.
to the same network you should connect your laptop.
Yes, the same Wi-Fi.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so the ThinkPad become online right now.
Mm-hmm. You can press to
So
press
what?
to this ThinkPad indication label on the screen. It's yes. Why is this offline? I don't understand. But what now is with your computer? To which one network it's connected?
The BizNet 5G.
BizNet 5G also.
Yes.
And which type of network there is set in Windows? It should be not public but private network.
Okay. Wait. Okay, I just changed it to private network.
Yes, sometimes if you set it like public network, some ports might be blocked due to security reasons, and it may affect connectivity between the UGCS companion on remote controller and UGCS on PC.
Hmm.
It keeps going on offline. So I see that now you have some connectivity problems between remote controller and also your PC. So you yes, it but why it's offline? Can you ping this one address from the PC?
What?
Can you ping this one address?
Sorry, we try to restart the connection. Okay. Check the if itu offline.
Can you share
Oh,
your
no,
screen?
it's online right now.
Yes, yes. You see here is address 192, 168, 18, 43. You can try to ping this address from your laptop. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm wrong. It says, sorry, I'm wrong. Can you please share your screen on PC and show me the network settings of your connection?
Okay, this is the connection and it's private.
If you press configure firewall and security settings
Uh,
on the top.
Sorry, pardon. Config this one.
Yeah. Excuse me. Yes, it's private, not public. Yes. Please press configure firewall. Firewall is on. You don't have any antivirus or some protection software that may block.
No, only Windows Defender.
Defender.
It's low.
What I suggest to do now, now we should understand what happens, why there is no connection. Connection is unstable between the remote controller and PC with UGCS. I supposed to maybe to use another one network. If you don't have another one Wi-Fi network in the office, you may try to establish access point on any mobile phone, I mean Android mobile phone, and try to connect in such way to this one and see what how it will work.
Okay, I will try to set up the
Because
hotspot.
actually in the field you have to be connected not to the some network or Wi-Fi, but to access point which you organize in the field.
Ya, bikin hotspot.
Aku dinyalain hotspotnya.
Ya. Apa? Konekin ke Wi-Fi. Okay, we're trying to use hotspot connection.
Passwordnya panjang.
Apa? Passwordnya panjang.
Panjang, bukan. Egi pakai Egi Ataya
Egi Ataya
pakai ATH ke WhatsApp aja lah, panjang soalnya.
Sorry.
Recording in progress.
Yes, do you hear me?
Di saya aku nggak ada.
Bentar, Mas. Itu. Ini metro. Ini hanya kurang yang Ataya ATH. Nama saya
Recording in progress.
1805 2014. Disuruh coba connect ke hotspotnya HP. Ini kan pakai hotspot si Wi-Fi ini.
Okay, we are connected to the hotspot for mobile Wi-Fi.
Yes. What with the connection now?
Susah.
If you press also offline.
It's offline.
No, so it periodically gets offline.
The same problem.
Yes, problem persists. Okay, maybe I will consult my colleagues what might be, or help desk team what might be the reason here. Just a minute. Please keep this window, keep this camera on.
Nyari temennya. Please keep the camera on.
Coba. Nah, dicas dulu mas, baterainya habis soalnya. Makin dikit makin lama dia, makin sebentar. Break, mumpung break. Hah? Batok yang 25 nggak apa-apa. Nggak punya saya charger yang 60.
Tadi 60 watt nggak bawa. Itu 18 itu.
Saya 25 masih lumayan.
Emang dia nilainya 60 ya?
Kita mau. Oh itu problemnya apa? Yang mana? Terus kalau ngecasnya? Oh iya. Jadi itunya nggak ada. Boxnya nggak ada.
Pelit banget.
Boxnya kan gitu di yang gede. Kita nggak bisa nggak bisa. Ya kan? Terus sih.
Nggak ada charger mau gitu.
Ada chargernya. Charger yang 65 ya. Kalau 25. Segera mau habis.
Minta Sahid antar sini aja deh.
Ya, minta saya antar sini.
Nyalain lagi gitu si
Nomornya oleh.
buka itu. Buka si UGCS companion. Connect itu tak offline. Nah, tapi udah linkingnya tuh.
Itu kan restart kan obatnya.
Iya.
Tapi nanti itu restart.
Lebet gitu kayak.
Ada dikit itu.
Ada dikit-dikit.
Tapi mending lah daripada tadi banyak itu. Aslinya dia tuh bilang itu dari awal sebenarnya bang.
Tapi kita
cuman kalau mau bawain oh udah lagi itu katanya dia berhasil lagi tuh udah lagi tuh. Mulai dia mention tadi kan kalau dari iPhone suka. Nah itu. Kan dia bisa. Oh iya. Bentar. Koneksi apa berarti? Apa mau baterai? nggak mungkin nggak, baterainya 15%, 12%. Berarti efeknya
Enggak, tapi misalnya
bisa
kalau kita
kebuka di sana
enggak, tapi
berarti
kalau
ya?
kita mau nyeting Skyhub-nya kayak GCS, dia harus pakai ke wifi si Skyhub. Jadi dia tuh pengen nyoba. Jadi jadi problemnya dia nganggap problem itu bukan di Skyhub-nya. Problem itu antara koneksi antara itu sama ini. Soalnya ini connect ke wifi yang lain pun juga putus nyambung kan.
Atau drone-nya ada 3 juga kan? Yang itu bisa diganti
Apanya?
drone-nya. Kalau emang masalahnya di drone gitu. Koneksi, kan tadi masalahnya ini sama ini kan. Mau kalau login yang salah, diganti. Kan kita punya 3. Mau yang lain gitu. Better sih. Link offline. Masih ragu coba pergi isi Bang Wahid sekarang. Dengan banget dulu. Terus sekarang Bang Wahid. Koneksi internetnya.
Warning. Ini masa pelit banget sih nggak mau pakai charger. Saya ada 68 nih lagi di rumah nggak tak bawa. 68?
Gede buat laptop.
Kagak, HP. Ya, HP saya 68. Chargernya. Hah? Tekno? Bukan, Tekno. Mana tadi HP-nya? Di situ. Nih, Tekno. Matiin dulu. Dia harus benar-benar mati gitu. Kalau di maksudnya kalau di screen off doang masih terbunyi.
Soalnya kalau di lapangan kalau nggak dikasih tahu,
Nah,
kan ini ketutup kan.
iya.
Kadang orang nggak peduli sama yang isinya. Isi depan berarti itu habis. Wah itu bahaya itu.
Iya.
Lebih bahaya drone habis baterai, soalnya drone habis baterai itu
Turun kan?
turun pelan-pelan. Kalau ini udah jalan aja sendiri.
Iya.
Bingung deh. Itu
Kenapa?
yang bisa nganterin tuh ke rumah sakit lagi.
Lah, emang nggak ada orang di rumah sakit kenapa?
Kereta kilirnya tuh parah banget, mau kayak susah banget jalan tadi, cuma dipaksain ke kantor nanti.
Oh, jatuh.
Rumah kayak biasanya itu parah ya. Izin teman cuma satu ya mas, karena gimana gitu.
Pakai apa Gojek?
Enggak, itu ada anak yang kafe.
Oh,
Itu
chargernya si ini kan, bukan charger.
mau ambil baterai ini aja kalau ada.
Oh, tukar baterai aja udah enak.
Kalau ada.
Oh, jadi tukar habis juga ya. Sebelum dicek dulu lah. Satu.
Tadi
Tadi kan
tadi tuh banyak. 3.
cepet.
Cepat habisnya mau panas soalnya. Nah, cepat.
Padahal nggak diapa-apain loh.
Kalau di lapangan tuh cepat lagi habisnya tuh. Makanya ini 2 bang, sebenarnya yang dari sini kosong. Jadi sama aja baterainya 1, kan 2 nih. Jadi ini tuh situ gini, ini charger ke sini. Nah, jadi dia bikin balance nanti 50-50. Jadi kan ini enggak, berarti ini dikirim mungkin 35, ini 35 gitu. Ya, ada orang ngerti amat di situ mah. Saya ngerti.
Jadi bingung gitu ya, kalau uang baterai yang mana. Batok charger.
Ada nggak yang ini ke Type-C?
Ada. Ini Type-C. Bisa. Oh, nggak dicolok. Ya iya, mau ngecas apa ya?
Itu sistemnya kayak gitu. Tapi harusnya bisa langsung ke dia langsung aja. Kita harus nungguin dulu gitu.
Oh, enggak. Itu 60 watt itu berarti.
Jadi itu.
Berapa lama biasanya ngecas berapa?
Nah, kalau dari situ nggak lama emang.
Karena 60 watt masih lama.
Dia pakai workstation yang gede itu kan.
Oh, itu kan 400 watt yang itu.
Nah, barang ini. Nah, jadi kan disesuaikan yang ini, yang itu kan wattnya yang tadi sama kan. Kalau dia kan voltnya yang gitu. Ini 60 apa? Ya, ini kan 60 watt. Nah, itu voltnya ini lebih kecil dari ini. Nggak sama kan? Harusnya kecil sih daripada yang baterai. Nah, itu baru cepet tuh. Kena berapa? 20 menitan full. baterainya. Cuman dia sekali cas tuh langsung 2
Iya.
satu pair.
Chargernya isinya 8 baterai itu.
Terus yang ini kecil ada 3 slotnya kayak yang kecil itu. Oh ada.
Kirim juga. Ya udah, backup ini, backup itu. Ini sampai 2 jam udah beres ya. Ini kan Android ya? Apa nggak diupdate Androidnya gara-gara
Oh iya, saya baru di sini kan saya belum pernah ngecek itu firmware udah update belum ya.
apa harus update si firmware-nya ini yang terbaru juga gitu?
Bisa jadi. Soalnya ini baru kan.
Ini kan udah paling baru, paling udah paling baru jelas. Ini juga paling baru udah yang di Skyhub-nya.
Soalnya ini kan pembelian tahun berapa, saya nggak tahu tuh pas orang-orang sopirnya apa yang pilot sebelum itu kalau terbang aware nggak sama yang kayak gitu firmware itu. Soalnya kan firmware lama pun untuk ngambil foto sama militer kan nggak masalah gitu kan. Untuk ini kan gara-gara motingnya beda apa ya, beda terpartinya lah gitu kan, bukan yang langsung dari DJI mungkin harus juga. Tapi kalau saya buka
Oke, datang lagi.
Excuse me for the long break.
Yeah.
Uh,
We managed to connect to the remote control. So we just restarting the companion app and it's working, but there's still something like a lag spike, maybe something like that. So it's disconnect for a split second and then it's connected again.
disconnected again. So connection established, but it is not stable.
Yes,
right?
but it is better than before.
Very strange. Very strange. I didn't see actually this behavior before because
Yeah.
if it's work or it is not.
Yeah. Maybe the firmware from the DJI itself. We need to upgrade to the latest firmware for the DJI.
Yes, it might be useful, but I'm not sure that it will solve this one problem. Can you please show me again this camera with remote controller view?
Okay,
Irvan's screen.
yeah. Wait. Fine. No.
Tadi kan langsung pada ini udah offline aja langsung.
Coba plus kita itu lagi, mau di push, di restart. Tadi bisa connect kan?
Hello.
Oh, it's dark.
Some echo here.
Yeah.
Yes, it's I see it's disconnected again from UGCS. Please press to this one icon with
It's
And also press to the name of this server, ThinkPad. It doesn't allow you to choose because it's only one. Only one, yes. It's also offline. Can you? It's not helpful. Yes, yes, I see. It's not helpful. We can do
Maybe we can restart.
before we are upgrading all the firmware in from DJI. Maybe we can do one more thing. Can you please share me the screen? I suppose it's Mohammed's screen with UGCS with a PC.
Okay.
Screen from PC where UGCS is installed. And please show me UGCS itself. Here on the top, near the top left corner, there is icon with looks like a hamburger to the left from demo mission. Yes, this one. And main menu, configuration, VSM, and create new. Here we can write any name, let's say test or something else. Port number, just a minute. Port number 54322. Yes, and there in the host field should be IP address of your remote controller, current IP address of your remote controller.
Where can how can I know? How can I know?
You can press on like in any Android phone. I will try to do it on my phone. Press on the icon, Wi-Fi icon in settings.
And then?
And
Oh, on the remote control, I check modify network or something, or the
no,
network properties.
you should press further on gear icon near the name of the network to which you are connected now. Gear icon, and here will be field IP address in the new window.
There's no.
Oh, di situ. Dari sini.
Coba. Wi-Fi properties.
Nggak bisa.
Okay. 192. 68. 145. It's IPv6, IPv4.
Yes, safe. Now, doing in such way, we are forcing UGCS to find the remote to find the UGCS companion which is installed on Wise.
But it says VSM cannot.
Oh, yeah. Press OK. Something wrong here. Just 1 minute. I will show this one screen to one guy from support team.
Okay. Home ini, nah, gitu. Terus kalau mau buka aplikasinya lagi, terus kalau kita close aplikasinya terus buka lagi. Nah, buka.
Janos put it save as something screen with error. Can you please save, press save once more?
Oh, operasi tes timeout.
Can you please press again?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Can you press OK?
Okay.
And let's press cancel. Let's see what else will help in VSMs. Can you scroll down a little bit? Okay, nothing suspicious. I don't know, maybe let's try restart UGSS itself.
So I close the app.
Yes, yes. Close it and reopen.
Okay, now the companion says the UGCS is green. So yeah, we are connected to the remote control now.
You are connected currently. This M300, which is in UGSS, that's your current drone, yes?
Yes.
Do you see green circles in companion, both for SkyHub and UGSS?
Yes. Okay.
Can you try
Can you see
refresh?
Irfan's screen? Irfan's video. So the on Irfan's video it says green on both.
Okay, can you try refresh CPM? This about payload text, that part. Up, yes, that one. And press start. Okay, looks like it worked somehow magically.
Yeah.
Like
We
somehow
just restarting
magically
the app and it works.
yeah, very interesting. But yeah, okay, I will direct you back to Edward. UGSS server din kaut kas bija nojūtas, vienkārši redzēs serveri kā tādu restartēt. Tas arī bija viss tā grupā. Aizējām, ka UGSS restartēt.
Bet viņi restartēja kādu reizi. Jā, mēģināja, bet tāda problēma atkārtojas.
As you can see on the custom payload monitor, sometimes the drone status is become yellow, so it's kind of glitchy.
From time to time is disconnected and the drone indicator is going to yes. So connection is not stable here.
What companion version do you use?
The latest version on the website.
130, right?
Where can I check the software version? About it's version 131.
Okay. So yeah, this week's release. Can you restart companion itself? Let's try restart companion. And also, do you know where the logs of companion is stored? Can you maybe send us to check for, so the developers can check what, maybe they can see what happened? I actually can give you one easy way how to download them. Inside UGSS, under this big upload road button, there is an arrow which directs to right side.
Arrow.
Yes, I don't know how to specify.
Lock.
Do you see start road button in UGSS? In commands.
Pardon.
Start road button in UGSS. Do you see it?
Start drone.
Start road.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
This one.
And no, press cancel for this. And above it there is arrow to the right. Yes.
Okay.
And
Logs
press
download.
logs download. Yeah, download.
Okay.
It will download the logs for companion.
Okay. Confirm. So I will just save on the download.
Yeah, can you please send these logs to Edwards? Okay. Because currently I can't help. I have no clue why it's time to time seems like refreshing. I have no answer for that, but yeah, let's send this logs. I will check it and I will try to reproduce also this on my side.
Send it via email or?
Es parasti caur e-pastu sūtu logus jums. Yes, through Gmail.
Okay.
So yeah, very sorry. I really haven't seen this myself, but yeah, let's check logs what's happening there. Yes, nemācēšu tālāk šeit lietas zinu pēc. Vai ir vērā? Nē, nevar. Mēs paši tāpēc. Es pēc tam pieņemt, ka arī jaunākās versijas. Ir versijas. Jā. Pārsot no tos logus, kad sūties, tas, ka tur kaut kas notiek pilnīgs servisi. Kā viņš strādā, kas nestrādā.
Yes, Mohammed.
Yes.
How we agreed, please send logs, and support team will try to understand what happens, because this one not stable connection is not a normal thing.
Yes.
Maybe it might be useful if you try to install UGCS on another one computer, but in this case you should deactivate
The license
UGCS
on this,
license on this one computer and activate on another one. Actually, I'm in adapt what else I can do for right now, but of course we can try to solve this issue while you will have further training about UGCS basics and other stuff.
Okay.
Maybe I will just sorry. I will start UGCS on my own computer, and I will try to check one more thing. Just wait a little, maybe a minute.
Ya, kirim lognya ke
No, I think I will not advise you something more. When you will, do you know when you will have the next one training about UGCS basics?
I don't know. We currently don't have a plan for that yet. So yeah, I will ask Hasan later. Okay, but currently he's away. So yeah.
Okay. So for UGCS basics, probably you will not need a working setup, but I will forward those logs to support, and they will try to understand what happens.
Okay.
I only suggest maybe to try this all this on another one computer with another one
Yeah, maybe that's the
UGCS
best
and
the best
CPU.
option. Yeah.
It's just to exclude that something in settings
Yes.
of your computer is may have influence on
Yeah.
connection stability.
Yeah.
But no other ideas currently. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, it's okay.
So maybe you have some questions about other topics. I didn't see you physically. You were able to mount Magnimbus on the drone on heavy payload mounting, and all is good here.
Yeah, you don't see any problem with the mounting itself. So yeah, only the config files.
Sorry, maybe I'm gonna ask one question. We already tried to record the data from the Magnimbus. I want to know how to synchronize the time of local data to local time here.
So sorry, can you please repeat? I hear you quite bad.
Okay. Do you hear me clearly right now?
Yes, now it's better.
I want to ask you about, we already tried to record data from Magnimbus yesterday, and we already see the logger data, and I wonder how to synchronize the time GPS from the log to the local time here, because the time that we see is on UTC +0.
It was 0.
Yeah, because in Indonesia is +7, right? So yeah.
Probably it was because when you are trying to collect data from Magnimbus, there were no GPS coverage. Probably because drone was in the office. The matter is that SkyHub, it doesn't have a real-time clock. SkyHub receives timestamps from the drone itself. If there is no GPS coverage, there will be no valid time. I saw that now in the office today there was a GPS coverage, but probably it wasn't when you trying to collect those data.
So you mean that the time is not from Maximus but from the drone?
To have valid timestamps in collected data, the drone must have GPS coverage, and SkyHub must be properly connected to the drone, because it takes time from the drone.
Yeah, okay, I get it. So there is no more how to synchronize it to local time here, right?
The time will be all the collected data will be synchronized with GPS data, and GPS data is provided by the GPS receiver of the drone.
Yeah, okay, I get it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Some more questions?
Okay, I want to review the config file. Yeah.
Oh yes, okay. You can send it to me together with other logs, and I will check, and I will write if something, if I will find some issues, or just confirm that it is okay.
Okay. So I will send the config file along with the logs. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Please do that. And concerning this and further training sessions, there together with invitation to Zoom training, there is must be a link sent to you. It's a link to the record of this Zoom training, and it will be ready maybe after some time when we finish that and further trainings, but you can use this record to maybe to replay some moments from the training session.
Okay.
It will be available during several weeks, but if you want to keep it constantly, you should download it to your computer.
Yeah, I already record my own screen.
Ah, okay. That way it also works. I'm sorry, but that I didn't help to resolve this issue with connectivity, but support team, I think, will help us
Okay.
with that.
Okay. Thank you for the tutorial.
And thank you very much for your time and for choosing our products.
Okay.
And if you don't have any further questions, I have to thank you again, and goodbye, and have a nice day.
I think that's all. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.